Hello everyone. Today I am going to describe my room without looking around. This exercise is very useful for English speaking practice because it helps improve memory, imagination, and sentence flow. I will describe my room based on what I remember, not what I see right now. Now, let me begin. My room is not very big, but it is comfortable and practical. It is a simple room designed mainly for rest and study. When I enter my room, the first thing I usually notice is the calm feeling it gives me. The walls of my room are light in color, which makes the space feel open and bright. There is a bed placed against one side of the wall. The bed is simple, with a mattress, a pillow, and a blanket. I try to keep it clean, although sometimes it becomes a little messy. Near the bed, there is a small table where I keep daily use items. On this table, I usually place my phone, a notebook, and a water bottle. This table is very useful because everything I need is close to me. In one corner of the room, there is a study table. This is where I spend most of my time. The table has books, notebooks, and study materials. There is also a chair in front of it, which I use while studying or working. There is a window in my room that allows fresh air and natural light to come in. During the day, sunlight enters through the window and makes the room feel lively. At night, I usually close the window to keep the room quiet. My room also has a cupboard where I keep my clothes and personal items. The cupboard helps me keep the room organized. When my room is clean and arranged, I feel more focused and relaxed. Overall, my room reflects my lifestyle. It's not luxurious, but it's peaceful. It's a place where I study, rest, think, and spend time alone. So, this was my room, described without looking around. This type of practice improves imagination and speaking confidence. You can try the same exercise with your own room or any place you know well. Practice daily, and your fluency will improve naturally. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next practice session.